the northwest of the UK didn't have such a great day.
No, they didn't, Naga. Good morning to you both. No, they didn't, and they probably won't have such a good day today either, although the cloud is a little bit more broken this morning. This, for example, is Nairn in Highland, Scotland. Let me show you the latest satellite picture, the one that's just coming in, our first glimpse of where we have and where we don't have the sunshine. And you can see it's more extensive already than yesterday. These little bits of cloud here, they're bits of mist and fog. But again, just like yesterday, we've got this more extensive cloud across the northwest of Northern Ireland, Scotland, hence the lower levels of UV. But just for Roger's benefit, and well, in fact for everybody's benefit, these levels very high are very unusual here in the UK, so it's as strong as it gets, the sunshine. Not related to the temperature, of course, the strength of the sunshine, but it does help the temperatures to rise, and these are what we had yesterday, these sort of temperatures, 26 in Edinburgh and 28 in Usk. We'll get similar temperatures today. We're already starting on a pretty high platform, aren't we? 16 to 19, that's more like the average through the day at this time of year, not nighttime temperatures. So it has been an uncomfortable night for some. I know that my girls were up and down through the night because they couldn't sleep with the heat. But we won't have that heat, as I say, across the far northwest of Scotland, particularly up in the Highlands. It's really misty and murky, low cloud and hill fog. But around and to the east of any high ground in Scotland, there are some good breaks in the cloud, and that will continue through the day. Eastern parts of Northern Ireland faring better for the sunshine here, and it's basically unbroken sunshine from the bulk of England and Wales. We will find a little bit of fair weather cloud building up as the day goes on, and there's just an outside chance if we get sea breezes coming in and converging with our normal winds that we could spark an isolated evening thunderstorm for East Anglia in the southeast, but the exception rather than the rule. And later in the day it brightens up for the Northern Isles, but you can see that rain coming and going across parts of Scotland. So obviously limiting our temperatures here, as Naga pointed out. Obviously we're not going to see those 20 degrees in these areas, but for the vast majority it will be another hot day, quite uncomfortable for some, a little bit stifling, more refreshing around the coast with the sea breezes, might be more refreshing as well for hay fever sufferers there because inland it's very high, but the UV strength is still the same as we go around the coast. So I'll have more on the outlook for you later.
I've taken my hay fever tablet already. It is high. Thanks very much, Helen.
I might as well get the sun cream out. What's it? Slap